Hi, welcome to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the first time on your YouTube screen, then hi, I'm Shatabdi, and before we start the video, please take one tiny second and go and subscribe to the channel. So a lot of you already follow the channel. You guys know that I love books, and I wanted to do a video that's related to books. We have already done a video on the Calcutta Book Fair, which is the biggest book fair in India and I think also in Asia. But now today I wanted to do a video on 5 books that have actually changed me or have actually changed how I think about things. That 5 books that have actually really mattered to me. So let's get into the video. Number 5 is The Namesake by Jhumpa Lahiri. Namesake is kind of special to me because I read the book when I was in high school, and I was an avid reader back then, and I used to read a lot. I don't get a lot of time to read now, though I read regularly, but back then I was a bookworm. So after I read The Namesake, I also watched the movie, and that was my first Irfan Khan film, I think. After that I just fell in love with how he acts and the brilliant artist he is. So that is why Namesake is one on my list, because it sort of introduced me to Irfan Khan. Number 4 will be Pride and Prejudice. Why Pride and Prejudice? Because I'm a big Jane Austen fan. Jane Austen is one of the biggest female writers that literature have ever had. She sort of brought a revolution in the world of writing alongside with the Bronte sisters. So if you are that sort of a person who really likes romance novels and romance stories which are plotted around a lot of complication and layered stories and stuff, and a lot of vibrant characters, then Jane Austen is for you. Pride and Prejudice is my favorite Jane Austen novel, and that's why it's on number 4. Number 3 is my first novel, actually. This is the first novel that I wrote with complete sincerity. See, there's a backstory that I hated books when I was a child. This is a very negative comment, and I feel really ashamed that I didn't like books when I was a child. But then I started reading a lot during my teenage years, and number 3 was my first book that I started reading seriously. That was the first segment of the Twilight series, that is the Twilight. And then I read the whole series, and then I became a bibliophile. So Twilight sort of brought me in the zone, like it made me fall in love with books. So that's why number 3 is Twilight. 2 will be Kathryn Stockett's The Help. Actually I read the book much later. I watched the movie. The Help is one of my favorite movies that ever been made. But the book, it had such influence on me. The Help is the first book that I read and I cried like a baby. To be honest, I was never that much aware about the black discrimination that goes on in the Western countries, which we don't really feel in India, because we still love fair skin here, but the sort of struggle black lives have gone through in the West, it's on a different sphere. So I think The Help really made me realize that there are some things in the world, that are some things that are revolving us right now that we should be aware of. That's it. It's just moved me. So The Help will be my second choice. Yeah. And number one will be this book. That it's not a novel, it's a drama, and this drama that I have read particularly 35 times in my life, that is William Shakespeare's Macbeth. Why it's Macbeth? Because being from ICSE background, that's That's very crucial, you know, and that's important. That's important thing in our school life, in our school timeline, because we are given Shakespearean drama since 8th grade, and it took me a year and a half to understand the language. Yes, Shakespeare writes in a different language. He used to write in a different language, and you need to learn the language before you can really read the dramas. So after I started understanding the language properly, Macbeth was the first text that really engrossed me. It was in our syllabus. I remember exactly that I read the drama for 35 times while I was in school. It was in our syllabus, and every Shakespearean drama, it has 5 acts, and ICCI, they have very strict you know, strict questions and question patterns when it comes to exams, and our task is to remember every scene, every line. So I used to memorize the lines. I still memorize a few dialogues from Macbeth because I've read it so many times. Macbeth will always be the first text that made me fall in love with literature on whole. So that's why Macbeth is on number 1. So guys, that was my top 5 list for now. I really suggest that you try and get these texts and try and read them, because I feel that these texts have really influenced me as a person, as an artist, as a reader in general. So if if you like reading, if you like books, if you like this video, then you should get these 5 texts and really give it a read. And that's all for today, and I'll just see you in the next video. And I want you to comment there that if you want me to make more content on books and literature and stuff, then I'll start making more content on books. Till then, bye bye. I'll see you.